So after initializing the source node, then you have to solve this. Okay, so here the initialization already see, this is S, that is source node. V is equal to V minus S is nothing but out of the, you have to minus this source node from the total number of nodes, that is 6 minus 1. Okay, it will be total remaining nodes, that is 5, and this V is nothing but the remaining nodes. Then this is the formula, that is d of V is equal to minimum of, you have to choose a minimum from d of V comma, that is d of U plus cost. This W is nothing but cost from U to V, and you have to find U and du such that du is minimum and U belongs to V minus S, that is it should belong to this. Okay, so this is the, let us see the initialization here. So the given source node is 5 and V is equal to V minus S, so you have to minus this 5 from the remaining nodes. So the remaining nodes will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So initially it is you don't have to apply this formula. Then out of this you have to just find U and du. So if you can see here, the U will be so how you choose this U, that is nothing but you have to choose minimum from this thing. Okay, so here you should not consider 0, but it should be a value. So U will be your this thing 3, and the value, that is d of U, the value will be 4. So here you just have to write U is equal to 3 and d of U. See, U, when you choose U as 3, obviously d of U is it will be equal to 4. So you have to just write this value. Next you have to consider the next node, that is the minimum node. So from all the initialization you found that this U is the minimum, so you choose directly, so without applying any formula you choose that particular node, so that is 3. So now you have to follow the same step. You should remove this 3 and you have to write all other vertices. Okay, so that will be 0, 1, 2 and 4. Now you have to apply this formula, that is d of V is equal to minimum of d of V comma d of U plus cost of U comma U and V. So here, and this formula is applied only to this 4 vertices. Okay, it is not applied to this. So here what you get is that you have to find d of 0, d of 1, d of 2 and d of 4. So we will see how they have done it directly. I'll show you how it happens. So here, if you can see here, d of V is, I have written the formula, W is nothing but the cost. Here we have taken U is equal to 3. So d of U, the value of that is nothing but 4. So when V is equal to 0, so here as I have told you, you have to find the values for 0, that is d of 0, d of 1, d of 2 and d of 4. So here when V is equal to 0, what you get is that you have to substitute V value, that is 0, d of 0 is equal to minimum of d of V, that is nothing but d of this 0, comma d of U. So what is the cost? D of U is nothing but here 4, so you have to write 4 plus cost of U, that is cost of U is nothing but you have to write the value of 3 and cost of V, that is nothing but 0. Just substitute U value and V value. U value is 3 and V value is 0. So then what you get is that minimum of, so d of 0. So what was the value of d of 0 here? So d of 0 is infinity. So infinity comma 4 plus, what is this now? Cost of 3 comma 0. You have to just see from node 3 whether you have direct connection to 0. Okay, if there is direct connection, then what is the cost? So here you don't have any direct connection, so you just take it as infinity. So now between this, infinity comma 4 plus infinity, which is the minimum, so you find this as minimum because 4 plus infinity will increase. So it compared to this is increasing, so you take minimum as infinity. So d of 0 value will be infinity. Here they have taken d of 0 is infinity. Next, same thing you have to find it for when V is equal to 1. So here d of 1 is equal to minimum of, just substitute the value, V value is 1, 4 plus, so this will remain same, d of U, okay, 4, then plus W of 3 comma v. So now the v, only if you see here, v value changes, other rest of the things remain same. Okay, so d of 1, and here it will be, instead of 0 you substitute 1, so it will be minimum of the value of d of 1. Again here it is infinity, so you just write infinity comma 4 plus w of, that is cost of 3 to 1. So whether you have direct connection from 3 to 1, just we will find out from the graph. 3 to 1, yes, if you can see here, you have a direct connection to 1, so that will, and the value is 10, so you just write here 10. So you will get infinity comma 4 plus 10, that is 14. So d of 1 is equal to 14. Next, similarly you have to find d of 2. So when v is equal to 2, so you have to substitute all the values. Similarly again you get infinity comma 4 plus infinity, so d of 2 is equal to, you get infinity.